Well, YouTubers, I had this guy with a CRV stop in 2 weeks ago and say, can you install my catalytic converter? Explained that I don't like doing that because most of the time what you bring doesn't fit your car or work. So he was here without the car and he never showed up for his next appointment. So then he stopped in yesterday and April told him to come in today. He was supposed to be here in the morning and now it's 12:30 and I said, okay, well, he's here, make him drop it off. So this is the converter he supplies us for a Honda CRV. And then here's his old one. So just do a stare and compare here, right? Let me get something so I'm not burning my hands to death. So I already dry fitted it with my eyes and said, hey, this does not look right. So this is what the customer has on his car. Notice the forward O2 location and the center port O2 location. All right, so you really can't take this too much out of deviation or it won't fit. This is the product he supplies because someone online or some company says it fits your car. Well, yeah, if I cut the floor pan out, it might fit. So let's do this, ready? So there's the forward O2 location, but what am I supposed to do with the upper one? Drill a hole through his floorboard? I mean, I could do that, or turn it this way and try and stretch his O2 sensor, and then it'll be pointing at the ground, which would work also. Or turn it. So let's turn it. So then I could get a center port O2 location, then I would have to add a forward O2 port location. So this is primarily the biggest reasons on why I don't like to install customer supply parts. One, you're not an expert in what you're trying to accomplish. So why would you even want to attempt to order a universal part for your car? Most of the direct fit parts that they make aftermarket for these cars fit like shit anyway and don't fit. So you have so many things working against you when it comes to, you want to do it yourself, but you can't do it yourself, but you're going to buy the part and then go to a shop and ask them to install your parts, which is just creates more of a problem. Instead of that installer just saying, hey, I already have the part that fits your car and it's an easy install for us. Now you just complicated it by buying something that doesn't fit your car. So now that I have to make it fit and then beyond make it fit. So if we weren't slow because of the holiday season, I would have just told this dude, good luck, go someplace else and have them tell you the same thing I'm going to tell you, this doesn't fit your car. But with my skills and abilities, I can make it fit. I'd rather be surfing the internet, to be honest with you, looking for things that I would like to buy or shopping for the holiday instead of farting around with this. But this is the cards I'm dealt today, so I'm going to have at it. Thanks for watching.